If you've got a trip coming up, you know the feeling. The excitement is real, but so is the potential stress of the airport. It can be a chaotic place that drains both your time and your wallet. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be that way? Today, I'm spilling all my secrets. We're diving deep into some genius airport tips that will help you breeze through security, avoid unnecessary fees, and basically travel like a seasoned pro. Stick around, because these hacks are going to completely change your travel game. First up, let's talk about saving that precious time. We've all been there, stuck in a security line that seems to stretch for miles. The number one game changer? Sign up for a trusted traveler program like TSA PreCheck or Global Entry. Yes, there's an upfront fee, but the time you save is priceless. You get to keep your shoes on, your laptop in its bag, and you'll be through security in a fraction of the time. Think about it. A one-time fee for years of stress-free security lines. It's a no-brainer if you travel even once or twice a year. Another huge time saver is checking in online. Seriously, do not wait until you get to the airport. Airlines open check-in 24 hours before the flight. Do it from your phone the moment it opens. This lets you select your seat and, most importantly, get your digital boarding pass. If you're only traveling with a carry-on, you can walk straight to security, completely bypassing the check-in counters. Even if you have bags to check, many airports have dedicated bag drop lines for those who've already checked in, which are almost always shorter. Now, let's get into packing, because how you pack can save you both time and money. My golden rule is to always travel with a carry-on if possible. This eliminates the risk of lost luggage and saves you from waiting at the baggage claim carousel. Plus, you avoid those pesky checked bag fees that can really add up. To make it work, invest in packing cubes. These little organizers are magic. They compress your clothes, keep everything neat, and allow you to fit way more than you thought possible into a small suitcase. Roll your clothes instead of folding them. It minimizes wrinkles and saves a ton of space. Speaking of packing, let's talk liquids. The 3-1-1 rule is non-negotiable. That's 3.4 ounces or 100 milliliters per container in one clear quart-sized bag with one bag per passenger. To avoid the last-minute scramble at security, where you have to throw away your favorite expensive face cream, pre-pack your liquids at home. A great money-saving tip is to use solid toiletries. Solid shampoo bars, conditioner bars, and even solid perfume last longer, are lighter, and don't count as liquids. This frees up space in your liquids bag for things that don't have a solid alternative. All right, let's switch gears to saving money, because airports are notorious for being expensive. The biggest culprit? Food and water. A simple bottle of water can cost you $5 or more. The solution is so simple. Bring an empty, reusable water bottle. Every airport has water fountains or refill stations past security. You'll stay hydrated without spending a dime. Same goes for snacks. Pack your own. A granola bar, some nuts, or a piece of fruit from home will keep hunger at bay and save you from paying $10 for a sad, pre-packaged sandwich. Another money trap is airport parking. Leaving your car at the airport for a week can cost more than your flight. Before you go, research off-site parking options. There are dozens of secure lots near most major airports that offer significantly cheaper rates. They provide free shuttle services to and from the terminals, and you can often book your spot online in advance for an even better deal. A little bit of planning here can literally save you hundreds of dollars, especially on longer trips. Let's talk about staying connected. Airport Wi-Fi can be spotty, and sometimes it's not even free. And don't even think about data roaming. The charges are astronomical. Before you leave, download everything you need. This means maps for your destination on Google Maps for offline use, your favorite playlists, podcasts, and a few movies or shows from Netflix. This way, you have all the entertainment you need for your flight and layovers without relying on a weak connection or racking up a huge phone bill. A portable charger or power bank is also a non-negotiable travel essential. Airport outlets are like gold dust, so having your own power source is a lifesaver. Here's a clever little hack for choosing the fastest security line. When you approach the security area, don't just automatically join the shortest line. Look at the people in the lines. A line full of seasoned business travelers will move much faster than a line with large families and infrequent flyers, who might need more time and assistance. Also, always turn left. Studies have shown that because most people are right-handed, they instinctively turn right. The security lines to the far left are often less crowded. Give it a try next time. What about flight delays or cancellations? They happen, and they're frustrating. But you can be prepared. First, download your airline's app. You'll get real-time updates, gate changes, and delay notifications faster than the airport display boards. If your flight is significantly delayed or canceled, don't just stand in the massive customer service line with everyone else. Get on the phone and call the airline's customer service number immediately. Often, the agents on the phone can rebook you faster than the overwhelmed gate agents. Being proactive is key. Finally, a tip about your comfort. Airports and airplanes are often freezing cold. Always, and I mean always, pack a light jacket, a scarf, or a travel blanket in your carry-on. A large scarf can double as a blanket or a pillow. Also, wear your heaviest, bulkiest shoes on the plane, like boots or sneakers. This saves a ton of space and weight in your luggage. Comfort is a huge part of a positive travel experience, so don't overlook these small details. They make a world of difference on a long travel day. So there you have it, my top tips for conquering the airport, saving time, and keeping more of your hard-earned money for your actual vacation. Traveling should be about the adventure, not the airport hassle. By planning ahead and being a little strategic, you can start your trip off on the right foot. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you have any of your own genius airport hacks, please share them in the comments below. I'd love to read them. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next travel adventure. Thanks for watching, and happy travels!